cute. Okay, so what's up guys? So let me just do a proper introduction of this video. Anyway, hi, what's up? My name is Xoliswa and I'm on Instagram as @Xoliswa.CharlotMnguni. So if you guys wanna check out the girl, please do that. And I'm here in Florida Road, downtown Florida. I'm not even sure if it's okay to call it downtown Florida, but it sounds a bit okay to me. I'm with my friend. You guys saw her in my last vlog. We just decided to look cute and just go out and just enjoy the bit of sun that is left since it's like winter. I mean, it is winter, not sure. It's approaching or it is winter, I'm not really sure. So yeah, I'm hoping that I'm gonna do a little bit of a review, like in one of the coffee shops that we're gonna eventually choose and sit in, just like relax and have a chat. So yeah, if you're interested and if you are like a coffee shop lover just like myself, you yeah, just please keep on watching the video because we are about to pull up in one of these coffee shops and see what's really good. So if you want to follow me, please do. Oh my god, this place is so cute, you guys don't even understand. It's like my type of scenery. Love it. So if you're in Durban and you know Florida Road, and you haven't seen this place, just like come through and check it out. Plus the pictures are really nice. So we are about to try the food. This is how it looks like.
Ooh, yummy!
Oh my God, how gorgeous does it look? This is what my friend ordered.
Yes!
Better and then, like, isn't this cute though? Like, oh my god! And then we ordered some cappuccino. So let me just try out this food and let you guys know how it tastes like. It looks really good. Just gonna take like a bite. Okay, this is I think this is red pepper and
Okay! How does it taste?
it's so good. I'm not even kidding you guys. Let me try to taste the red pepper with some Evo because I think I didn't get that one.
Happy?
Hands down, this is the best toast I've ever had.
Really?
I don't know. So yeah, this is the place that we ordered our food in. So yeah, so like if you guys want to try out that food toast, obviously in Florida Road, we just come like here, and it is called Glam Wich.
Show them.
It is called Glam Wich. So if you guys want to try out like a really good toast, this is a place to come. And yeah, let me enjoy the rest of my food, and I'll see you guys on the next tip. So what's up guys, we are chilling at Luca, we're just having wine. We're just gonna relax before we go back home. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And join our growing family.